Welcome to Lesson 3, What is QuickBooks Online? In the last lesson, Gay Schmidt explained why International is moving to QuickBooks Online, but I want to go a little deeper into what is QuickBooks Online and help you understand the many benefits of moving this direction. I'll start with a basic definition. QuickBooks Online is a cloud-based accounting software package geared towards small and medium-sized businesses. QuickBooks Online makes it easier to track income and expenses, write checks, make deposits, organize receipts, and run financial reports. But you might be saying, my old accounting software could do that. Maybe you use QuickBooks Desktop and you're perfectly happy with it. So why the change? Software has changed dramatically in recent years. It used to be if you owned QuickBooks Desktop, for example, you would go to the store, purchase the software, bring it back to the office, unwrap the packaging, take out a CD or a disc, and install the software. And you'd use that software for a year or two, and then a new version would be available. You'd go back to the store, you'd install the version. You might just have to pay an upgrade price rather than full price. And this went on for a number of years. But as the internet grew in capability and we could pass data more quickly, the model has changed to a cloud-based delivery system. Essentially, people want updates to their software more rapidly. If there's a security fix or a new feature, they don't want to wait a year or 2 years. And now software companies can deliver that quickly through the internet. So you'll find that most companies are moving to a cloud-based model. But the biggest question is, what is cloud-based? What does that mean? Where is this cloud? Well, for starters, it's not in the sky, it's not in space, and it doesn't involve any clouds. The cloud simply means that your data is being held on computers in a data center somewhere, and many of those are underground, in secure bunkers underneath neighborhoods that you wouldn't even know were there. This is so that they are secure in the case of some national or international emergency. And not only that, but your data replicates to data centers in other areas of the world. So all of the applications that you use that are cloud-based are really sharing many of the same data centers. Interestingly, it's almost impossible to lose data in a cloud-based system. When you save something, let's say it's saved to a server in Las Vegas, Nevada, immediately it then replicates to a server somewhere else, so that if something happens to the server in Las Vegas, there's an exact copy of that data somewhere else that can be replicated back. And all over the world, there are connected data centers managing your data. So let's talk about the 3 big advantages to moving to QuickBooks Online. Gay Schmidt already discussed some of your specific issues related to ironworkers, but I want to talk just in general. Anyone would benefit from these 3 things: mobility, collaboration, and security. One of the ways that this product is going to help you is that it's cloud-based, so that means anywhere you can log into the internet, you can access your QuickBooks Online account. If you're at home and you need to check a financial transaction, you'll be able to log in and do that. If you're on your phone, you'll be able to access QuickBooks Online. It's got a corresponding app. If one of your employees uses a credit card and goes to the gas station, pumps gas, they'll be able to take a picture of the receipt from their phone and it will automatically email to QuickBooks Online so that it can be attached to the transaction when it comes through from your bank. As for collaboration, if you have trustees or remote people who want to look at financial reports, they won't have to come into the office and look at a printout. You can give them a login that is going to let them look at reports anytime from anywhere. And then finally, I already discussed how difficult it is to actually lose data in the cloud. Security is a big issue with ironworkers, and you couldn't have a more secure situation than QuickBooks Online. Your admins will no longer have to take responsibility for backing up data. The data is already being backed up as you enter it. And each individual in your organization will have their own login. There is an audit log that automatically compiles in QuickBooks Online. You'll be able to tell who logged in, when, what they did. Every move is tracked, thus eliminating the possibility of fraudulent activity that can't be found out. Now that you fully understand the benefits of QuickBooks Online, in the next lesson, we'll begin to learn how to use the product.